This is a very weird, bittersweet, different video for me. Now, I usually have a upbeat tone, and I'm all sorts of excited. It's a great day outside for some riding. It's a good Friday, got the weekend off work. But this is a little bit on the different side. This is a more personal video because where I'm headed to right now, I am headed to what now used to be my grandmother's house. So, as of this recording, my grandmother is 100 years old, alive and well. So I'm happy for that. But this exact route that I've taken, or been on, for 27 years has led to my grandmother's house. Now, when I was a child, and my dad and my mom would say, hey, we're going over to Grandma and Grandpa's, they'd round up me, my brother, and my sister, throw our bicycles in the back of our 2000 Dodge Ram 1500, and we would go ride up and down the streets while they had adult conversations and beverages and dinner and all those 9 yards that you used to way back before the tablet generation took over. And yeah, so this is very bittersweet for me. Very, very bittersweet for me. It's gonna be weird because for the first time ever, I'm gonna go to that house and she's not gonna be there. Now, to give a little context to the story, again, she's alive and well. She's just can't live alone no more. And yeah, I don't really know how to feel right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is like, my parents were like, yo, why are you taking your video camera? Why do you want to make a video out of this? And I'm like, well, to be honest, this is very bittersweet for me because when I was a child and I'd ride my bicycle up and down those roads, I'd imagine me today riding my motorcycle over there for whatever reason, like I have plenty times before. And when I first started riding, from then till now, I've thought about, like, in a nostalgic way, I thought about it, be like, damn, I was a kid on a bicycle dreaming of this picture right here, me being older, looking cool on my motorcycle, riding over my grandma's, these same roads, and be like, I was right here on this same exact road at this same exact place, dreaming of what I'm doing now. Not very many people can say that they've done that, you know what I mean? So it's bittersweet. It's very, very bittersweet. And to be honest with you guys, I'm kind of making this video more for me, more for like my personal archive, because like I said, this is the first time going over there and she's not going to be at that house, let alone as a resident. She's had this house for over 50-60 years. So much in this city, this town, was not here, but her and her house was. Her neighborhood was being built at the time. But yeah, it's just so crazy to me. It's just like, this is a true end of an era right here, and I wanted to capture it on film with you guys, and you know, maybe my family can look back at it or see it. I tell you what, nostalgia is an absolutely crazy feeling. It can be a great feeling, a sad feeling, a just all in one, man. All in one. It's just something. Oh man. Well, here we go. Cue the sad piano music. I'm just playing it. These exact roads right here, brother. These exact roads. Wrapping around this little block right here. Come out that end or this end, depending on how far you were allowed to go as a kid. And yeah. Turn in here and pull in here. Bittersweet. Very bittersweet. Oh, man. Like I said, man, nostalgia is a crazy feeling. I don't know whether I feel like, I don't know what I feel right now, dude. Like, this is weird. Like, I thought I was gonna have like a nostalgia trip, but like I did, but I didn't at the same time. Like, I think maybe it's just taking a while, like a minute to set in or something. But like, the memories are fresh that I've had all these years, you know? Of like coming down these roads as a kid and just wishing I was doing exactly what I'm doing right now. Like, this is weird, yo. Like, it's a nostalgic, bittersweet. Oh man, it's like a mix of things that you can't really put your finger on, you know. But yeah, man, this is kind of strange. I'm not exactly sure how I feel right now. But that closes that book. Wow, that's the end of that. Wow, that's all I got to say. One of those things that you know it's eventually going to happen, and when it does, you just don't know how to feel about it. I think it'll hit at a later date, at a later time, because like I said, y'all, I really don't know how to feel right now. But I'm glad I was able to get this footage for the archive, for the personal archive. So, hello, future me. Be sure, if you still have your grandparents, to tell them that you love them, because you never know when. You never know when. Until next time, guys, as always, be safe and ride free. Peace out.